our channel. So today I'm about to show you how to fix keystrokes that are showing up at the bottom of your screen. So right now I'm pressing P, O, I, J, K, L, enter, backspace, and it's showing up, and it's something that I don't like. And to fix it, it's very, very simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So all you have to do is just to press the Alt and the letter K. So Alt K at the same time, and it should get rid of it. Okay, so Alt K, and it should be gone. So now I'm pressing my keyboard and it's not there anymore. Okay, so just to remove it, you press Alt K. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, and if it was helpful, also be sure to subscribe. Bye for now.